Okay, so we're here at Kohl's at the RiverTown Mall in Grandville, Michigan. This actually used to be a 321A, Schindler 321A. But as you can tell, they got replaced by KONE I.
Going down.
What the heck is this?
First floor.
Okay, I don't understand this thing whatsoever.
Going up. Second floor. Going down.
Yeah, we're going down again. I have absolutely no clue why they replaced this elevator with the KONE I.
First floor.
In the video too.
Going up.
$2,500. I don't understand. This used to be a 321A. It should be a 321A.
Second floor. Going down.
At least this is a nice replacement. There goes the elevator. That's the MRL cam that ran the sign. But anyway, I guess that is going to be it for me.